Hello.
Right, hang on. And action.
Hi everyone. Today I'm doing my candle extractions and my name is Amour.
Start again. Start again.
William.
Start again. Tell me what you want to tell me.
Okay, I'm going to say
Yeah.
hello, bye.
Okay, anything else?
No thanks.
Okay, tell me what you're doing.
Making candles, that's all.
So this is the kit.
Yep. I'm just borrowing it.
My own shadow.
Your own shadow. I'm putting in the wax into a pan, and I put the hot water into the pan, and now I am pouring the wax in, and then I put the jug in, and now I'm putting the wick in, I put the blue tack in, and now I'm putting the wick in, and now I am putting the stick over. And now I'm doing 90 degrees. It's melting.
Okay.
Push it down. No more.
What did you just say about that angle? What is it?
90 degrees.
You're so clever.
This is what I'm going to be putting on top. I'm going to show you what it is. Start niche there is. And this is a tiny one, so I'm going to get the big one.
Why are they tiny? There's a reason why they're tiny. Can you remember?
No?
Because the candle's only tiny and we don't want it to catch fire.
Smell it.
Close. Just stick it all out inside.
And that's what we got.
And what's happening over here then?
The wax is melting. Get out of the way, essential oil. Then this is what I'm going to put in the wax when it melts.
So
Read it
terra.
yourself if you want.
Okay, it's starting to melt now, so maybe give it a little mix.
Mix.
Ooh.
Ooh. Look at it, it's melting.
I see your decorations.
And I don't really just put that on my candles. Some glitter on. Can I put the glitter on when the candle's made? My glitter.
Yeah, what colour glitter would you like to use?
I'll decide when we're doing it.
You'll decide when you're doing it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't really know. Okay, so see that melts. Okay. Let me introduce myself because my name is Amour, so goodbye. Goodbye. Did you turn the screen off?
Yeah.
Still recording.
Joking.
When all the flakes are ready, that means the flakes have disappeared. Yeah. Okay, flake is melted.
Okay.
Make sure that it is.
Right, let's turn that on.
Done, young man.
Young man.
No need to cry, baby.
Right, careful, because that's hot. You okay?
I didn't know that.
I'm going to move this out of the way. You can get an adult to help you here.
Should I take this off for you? Can I pour it in with? I put the essential oil in to make it smell nice. You could put loads in, it's up to you. Or a little bit, it's up to you. When you put the essential oil in, the wax is ready to go in the tin. This is a little bit tricky. You might want a grown-up to help you. You might want a grown-up to help you because it's a bit tricky. But I did it myself because I had a candle business and I like it.
This is hot, so be careful. Do you need a hand? Yeah. Do you need a hand?
No.
You sure?
Sure. See if I can do this. Yeah.
Well done. Well done. Careful, you get it on the stick. Good. Okay?
Yeah. Before the candle's properly dry, you have to decorate it. So I'm getting some glitter. When the candles dried, well, not too dried, it has to be a little bit wet, then you can add the toppings, but don't put the star anise too close to the wick, otherwise it might catch on fire. Then all you need to do is cut the wick and then your candle is ready. Thank you for buying one of my candle kits. I hope you like it. Please show me a photo when it's finished. I hope it looks really nice. I am just cutting off the wick.
Beautiful. Now you can
And
let
there's
it
your
dry
candle.
properly. Lovely.